Hey gang, Adam from Floating Lotus. We're gonna go check out this nursery and see how we're getting going for the spring. This is our germ chamber here. Got some stuff we pulled out already. Kind of a mess in here, getting going, but got some kale here. A little bit of chard. Just popping up there. Here's some salad, some lettuce starts. This is our little nursery. Get going anyway. Got some stacks in here. This is how we germinate everything. This is called a germ chamber, germination chamber, where it's just basically a greenhouse in a greenhouse. Let me flip this around for you guys. It's basically a greenhouse in a greenhouse. So we'll fill the flats, as you saw in a short we made the other day. And we'll water them in and everything, and then we'll put them in stacks and we'll sneak them in this germ chamber here. And as you can see, we've already got some germination here. Here's some herbs down here that are germinating really nicely. I think that's the parsley, maybe the oregano. Don't move the flat around too much, don't make any cracks in the soil. It'll just dry out faster, but oh yeah, we're gonna pull these out right now. Hey gang, so I should explain a little bit. We've got two different nurseries here, right? We've got this nursery here. This is tier 1. This is tier 2. Tier 1, this is where our first garden was. Just a side note, like I think I might have mentioned earlier, but nonetheless, this is where our first garden was 8 years ago. Now it's our big, main nursery where it's double plasticked. Let me just show you that so you can see how it's like puffed up there. It's like puffed out here, especially on the side there, right? But we got this blower here that just blows air in between those two gaps, and so it creates a big air pocket. This one over here only has a single layer of plastic, and well, it got its butt kicked this winter, and the ends are ripped off and holding on by a thread. So this is tier 2, still a dirty mess. Haven't really done too much cleaning. Not sure when we're moving or not, so trying to take the break if I can. Here's our potting mix. Should call out Adam while I'm here. Aircraft Organics. And in Marshall, North Carolina. Good people here. Of course, OMRI listed, baby. Certified organic. Good potting mix, the best. Getting some of these herbs, I guess I should explain that too, because they don't look too right, huh? These look kind of janky, but this oregano here. You can see there's still some in there. Some little babies coming in there. There's some holding on for dear life. This one's pretty dried out and looks dead, but you never know. I'm still learning a lot, so I think a lot of this will show some fresh growth. And then once if it does, like this one, we'll eventually just like, you know, knock and cut all this back and a new plant will start to grow. These are the rosemaries, and all of this is just waste product from last year. Sorry if you can't hear me really well, it's super windy. Yeah, this is just leftovers from last year that never sold, and we weren't sure when we were going to move on to new property, so we were trying to get this all prepared, and then yeah, we just didn't plant them because we didn't have a place to put them. But I think some of these will come back to life. If not, we just started some fresh ones, and yeah, we're just trying not to be wasteful. If those are wasted, then of course we put it here in our not so beautiful compost pile, which I just flipped, and then we received 1.5 inches of rain, and it's now a gnarly mess. But anyway, let's get these babies moved out. Oh, I got a few more, don't I? Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today as we walk around the nursery and see how we're getting started this year with at least the onions and our germination chamber and how that works a little bit, and yeah, ultimately maybe getting comfortable talking to you through a camera. Nonetheless, getting the nursery closed down, got it watered, got everybody out of the nursery that needs to come out or out of the germ chamber. And yeah, I'm gonna get this thing closed down until it gets dark out, and I'll turn the heater on for the nighttime. And yeah, check back in when we get another video out in the next maybe couple weeks as things get ramped up. It's only the second week of February, so you know, we've got our onions started, we've got our greenhouse stuff started. I think in a week we're gonna start getting field stuff together in trays and seeded. So stick around, and can't wait to show you all we got. Cheers.